people up close and personal.
Hi guys, so in today's video guys, these are for beginners with the ESX. So guys, if you're trying to modify your ESX fivem server, I want you to change your default HUD. As you can see guys, the default HUD is not looking good for new players, okay? So you can change this. So I have a recommendation for you guys to use this kind of HUD. So I actually like a simple HUD, but you know, it's kinda realistic, okay? So I think you might like this one, and it's totally free. So come on, let's go. Just go to my description. There is a link in the description. You can use that one. I have added it so that you can simply go here, okay? So don't forget to download the latest version, which is it's last week. This green one right here, just have to download that one and click this .zip, and there you go. Wait until the download is finished. Come on, my internet is slow. All right, there we go. Open this one, and you know, just go to your ESX resources. So mine is located at ESX resources, and just go to ESX add-ons, and don't forget to delete this one. If you want a backup of this, you can just right click, show more, and look for WinRAR. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can download it, okay, on Google by searching it in Google. So add ESX HUD. So I'm not gonna do that because it's already added as RAR. So what we need to do is press that delete button on your keyboard, and it will be, you know, it will be deleted, okay? So this one, make sure to extract this one by using the WinRAR. Sorry about that guys. So I'm gonna WinRAR and extract to DTHUD. There you go, DTHUD. There you go. This is it. You just have to open and just drag and drop to your resources, and there you go. Don't forget to go to the config file and make sure that the locally is in English version, because you know, we're not France or something like that. So you can change the font, or the name is Monstrat, so we don't need to change this one too. You can add a logo here. I think it's HTTP like this, but you can add that one, and there you go. These are the options that you might change. You can change this one into MPH. By now the default is KeyMH, and these are the corresponding keybinds for this. Like the seatbelt is X, cruiser up. So don't forget to save and close. Now I want you to restart your fivem server. You can just close this, or you can type localhost. So, and click this one, restart, and there you go. It's finally restarting. Alright, so let's try to connect again. Let's check on our live console, and it's already restarted. You can press, or you can use the find or search option by Ctrl+F and search for DTHUD. So as you can see guys, if there's no problem with it, there's no error, okay? You won't see any red error here. So that's it. I think I forgot, you need an OX fuel. So just type in OX fuel and download the latest version, this one, and click source and go to your download folder. Once it's downloaded, then let's go back to our resources. So I created a folder, guys. It says OX. If you don't have this kind of folder, you can create new folder like OX. And don't forget to add it on to your server CFG. So let's say OX. There you go, OX. So make sure to ensure this folder. I'm doing this for the organizing purposes only. Okay, but you can add on into a standalone folder if you don't want to organize your folder. So this one, I will put my OX fuel here. There you go. Just open the OX fuel and drag and drop. And there you go. It's now here. And don't forget to rename and make sure it's OX fuel. Just remove this version. There you go. And you don't need to change anything here. Okay? And next up is, of course, since we forget it, sorry about that. So I'm gonna restart my server first. There you go. You can clear this one so that you will see the new updates of the server restart. As you can see, OX fuel is running. Alright, OX fuel is running. There you go. And let's go back to the game. Let's run our server again. So I'm not cutting anything here. You just have to fast forward it, okay? Because it's editing will take a lot of time, and I don't have that kind of time. So guys, you can see my loading screen is different. You can check some of my videos on my YouTube channel. You can of course follow this one, or you can you can use that one. So as you can see guys, it's working even though it's in multi-character. So I hope the next update will be they will going to change that one. So it's, as you can see guys, it's working and I really like it. Let's try to see what's happened if you are inside of the car. And I love it, I love it. What about weapons? So let's try some weapon. Okay, weapon is working. There's an indicator that you are using a pistol, and there are 12 bullets. Let's try to alright, it's synchronized and it's kinda simplistic, and it will not cause lag into your fivem server. It's because it's kinda simple, and I like simple. It's gonna feel like a realistic team. Okay, now what about when we die? When we let's try everything. As you can see guys, the heart icon or the health bar is it's reducing when it needs to be reduced. There you go. Let's try the fuel. Let's go to the nearest fuel. So guys, I'm using an OX fuel. As you can see, it's working on our server now. Let's go there. Let's go. Whoa, sorry about that. Okay, let's try to fuel up. Make sure that you have money on your pocket because it will require you to pay it in cash. Okay. Actually, you can use. I think it also works with different kind of fuel system. You just have to add an export on it. Okay. There you go. As you can see, guys, it's working. Our gas indicator, it says that it's full. So I think that's it for today's video guys, and I hope that you like this video. If you have any problem, you can join on my Discord. I have added a Discord link in this video so you can join us. And there are a lot of videos that I uploaded in my YouTube channel. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Okay,